there's a question that keeps popping up in the chat, but I will take those questions that are coming in the chat at the end. Don't worry about that. One more question. There's always a fight, or let's not say fight, a debate between Hindi medium versus English medium. We see many aspirants, especially those who have opted for Hindi medium, saying that they don't get their due. The number of students who have actually cleared the examination from Hindi medium are lower as compared to what they should have been. Do you have any view on this debate? Do you think a specific medium is given preferential treatment, or let's not say preferential treatment, but do you think a specific medium has an upper hand while appearing for this examination?
So let me be very, very frank, Harsh. Actually, English definitely has an upper hand in this exam, unfortunately, though.
Right.
And the reason is very simple. The reason is that most of the material that is available for you to study, and the same material is utilized by the examiner also, right? So examiner who is correcting your copies, he or she has also read the same material, and most of it is available in English. And to translate the same material literally in Hindi, it will not give the same impression as the material which is organically written in English, right? So the lack of material is the primary reason why English has a better success rate rather than Hindi or any other regional language for that matter. And the way to correct is very, very simple. Like I said, if you just try to literally translate the English material into Hindi, that will not be the same interpretation and the spirit to the answer, right? So you need to try to gather that information, try to translate that in your head, and then write it down in your own words. That interpretation will definitely work. True, there is a handicap in terms of availability of information, but fortunately, the government has gathered up to it. The institutes have woken up to the situation, and now a lot of material is actually available in Hindi, prepared for you already, and you don't have to translate a lot of material. So that situation is being dealt with very, very well, and I'm sure the situation will improve. But it is very important for you to not look at Hindi as a handicap, and but trust your instincts, trust your language, and don't try to change the language that you're most comfortable with. I get a lot of questions asked that should I shift to English? No, you should not, because if you are not doing well in Hindi, you definitely will not do well in English.
Okay, perfect. That makes a lot of sense.